Rajagirilena, a timeless sanctuary where history, spirituality, and nature meet in perfect harmony. Far from the noise of the modern world, this quiet refuge remains one of Sri Lanka's best kept treasures, a place where the whispers of ancient monks still echo among the rocks and where nature gently breathes life into every stone and tree. For centuries, these caves sheltered Buddhist monks seeking peace and enlightenment. The Mahavamsa records that during the reign of King Saddhatissa, this sacred site was home to Kala Buddha Rakhita Thera, a devoted monk who lived here in quiet contemplation. Every carving, every echo carries the spirit of Sri Lanka's ancient devotion, where silence itself became prayer and the forest became a temple. The early Brahmi inscriptions carved into the rock still speak of those who first walked these paths. Rajagiri Lena is more than a monument of stone. It is a living memory of faith, meditation, and discipline. At Rajagiri Lena, every visitor becomes part of its living story. In the stillness of the ancient caves, visitors sit in quiet meditation just as monks once did centuries ago, listening not to noise but to silence itself. The dry zone forest that surrounds these hills shelters a rich diversity of life. The melodies of birds, the quiet footsteps of deer, the playful chatter of monkeys, and the rustle of leaves in the gentle wind. As you hike along the rocky trails, the forest whispers with life. Leaves rustle beneath your feet, and the scent of earth fills the air. This is not merely a place to visit, it is a place to feel, to reflect, and to connect. Here, every step tells a story, every movement invites space, yet with discovery comes responsibility. Rajagiri Lena asks for care. Walk softly, leave nothing behind but footprints of respect. Protect the forest, honor the heritage, support the local communities who safeguard these traditions. Rajagiri Lena is more than a monument of stone. It is a living memory of faith, meditation, and discipline.